Like, why? Why do you mean I will get one?
You just
I don't want.
you want. Yes.
I don't want to get one. I found you. I'm finding you right now, Grace.
And worry if I'm not ready for now.
Why? You will tell me why you're not ready.
Because I was heartbroken. I don't want to be heartbroken again.
Grace, everybody's heartbroken. I'm heartbroken too. You think I was single? You think I was single all my life? I had somebody before. And then we broke up. And I'm here wandering all over internet looking for somebody. And Grace, since you want to talk, I want to tell you my problems. And you fix them, and I'm going to fix yours.
But it's not the right time now.
Grace.
Yes.
Do you have a job? I have my money.
But you know.
Yes.
Love is not about money. So if you talk about money, it will reflect as if I'm interested in money. But
sweetheart, I understand. Consider money for now. Love is gonna come later. Grace.
No. Love first, money after.
Grace.
Yes.
Grace, am I ugly?
Yes, I don't want money.
No. Look at me, Grace. Am I ugly?
No.
Grace, why are you turning me down?
Because you are talking about money. I don't
want
money.
I started with love. Uba yichi wowe ariko ninde wakubwiye ko ngiye nza kuri game buri kanya we ryoza what the heck? Ninde wakubwiye ko buri kanya muzajya mumbona social media nzaba ndi kuri game? Buretse gatoya maze ni interacting n'abantu ryoza nunzane umushukwe nawe urumva? Tell me, sweetheart, tell me. I want love actually, but if love is not there right now, we're gonna start with money, then love can come later. But if it's love first, we can go with love, sweetheart. How about that?
I love first, money come after.
Yes. Of course, I'm looking for love. I'm not looking for money. I'm not here to display money. It's love first, for sure. How far is it from Nairobi to Nakuru?
I think it's almost 200 kilometers.
That's not far. I can drive 3 hours, no? 3 hours drive.
Yes, it is 3 hours. Drive from Nakuru to Nairobi or from Nairobi to Nakuru.
Grace, I like you. I really like you, Grace.
Thank you.
So, what can I do to get you, Grace?
You just inbox me.
That's my Grace. Oh, okay. So I inbox you. You're gonna give me your number.
I will tell you there.
You will tell me from the inbox.
Yeah.
Okay. Grace, if you're 27, right?
I told you 28.
28 out of 28, 28. You have a kid? Do you have a baby?
I have one, but he passed away last year.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Very sorry, Grace. Very sorry.
Thank you.
Never mind. Oh, Grace. Anyways, I will find you in the DM.
All right.
It was nice talking to you.
Thank you. I'm happy too.
Oh, okay. Bye.
See you. Thank you.
Okay. Muragira ngo simbonye umugore. Muragira ngo simbonye umugore. I just found myself a wife. Wow. Okay, because Didioza weburetse. Didioza wait. Didioza you don't want to make me a game machine. Uzatuma n'abantu banyaga ngo dumba burugaje hana kina game mbabarira Didio. Bundetse. I'm looking for someone. I don't want someone from Rwanda. I want someone from outside Rwanda. I want somebody from outside Rwanda, guys. Brenda.
Hi.